the Year of Smart Towns project, the Welsh Government has given a Cisco Meraki WiFi kit to every county in Wales. Now, Anglesey County Council asked Menter Môn to install their kit here in Menai Bridge, which means that the public have free Wi-Fi, and the system also counts completely anonymously any Wi-Fi enabled device in the area, which gives us a good indication then of how many people are visiting the high street.
Wrth rannu data yn benagored ar wefan patrwm, nod Menter Môn ydy'r darparu yr data sydd ar gael ar gyfer busnesau lleol iddyn nhw gael dadansoddi beth sy'n digwydd o'i hamgylch nhw ar liwt eu hunan ac yna gweithredu'n berthnasol wedyn.
I'm Jem Griffiths. We have a business, Unique Kids, and we produce our own kids' fleeces. So we've looked at the raw data, which is just a general overview of the visitors to the high street, and it sort of confirms what we know of the footfall through the shop, is that the day's been condensed into a shorter period, with people avoiding the busy traffic times because of the closure of the bridge. And as a consequence, we've adapted the business and we shut a little bit early, occasionally we open a little bit later, and try and concentrate our working day to reduce our overhead costs.
Dwi'n gallu weld o'r data os oes lot o pobl yn y dre ar ryw pryd mwy specific na just edrych tu allan i'r ffenast. So ni'n defnyddio'r data i weld faint y toes sy'n ni'n gorau wneud ymlaen llaw. Just i wneud yn siŵr da ni'n wastio bwyd ac i wneud yn siŵr hefyd mae gen i digon o pobl i gweithio.
I think immediate data could be really helpful for a business. It helps us to make decisions in real time rather than waiting to see a couple of months later when our books tell us that something has gone horrendously wrong. We can make informed decisions quickly.
Mae'r Cyngor Sir yn ddiolchgar iawn i Menter Môn am arwain ar osod yr offer ac i Llywodraeth Cymru am darparu'r cyllid. Mae hwn yn bwysig iawn i ni fel cyngor, fel modd o fesur sydd wedi gefnogi busnesau a digwyddiadau a monitro sut mae'r diwydiant ymwelwyr yn mynd yn ei flaen. Ond mae o hefyd yn ffordd dda iawn i busnesau fedru cynllunio, i staffio ac yn y blaen fel bod nhw'n gallu cynllunio'n effeithiol.
My name's Glyn Davis. I run the Oriel Glyn Davis here in Menai Bridge, and this is the 20th year that I've actually been running the gallery. This is the worst January in 20 years. And we have seen a massive reduction in footfall. I mean, off the scale reduction in footfall. So although we're getting the odd one or two good customers, it's literally 2 weeks at a time I've had not one customer in. And then thankfully we get one really good customer and that just about keeps me afloat. But compared to other years, it's horrendous. And what's interesting is when you look at the data that Menter Môn have been collating, it does show that first-time visitors and passers-by have really been reduced in numbers. And that, of course, is seriously affecting the trade. If in the future we can get more analytical data, then that would be very useful to all businesses to try and work out what they are selling, when they should open, when they shouldn't open, and so on.
I think collecting data is so important because it helps us to have a greater understanding about the footfall onto the island and how we can utilise that information with campaign work, marketing, advertising, and we might have to tweak certain things to have the most success out of the campaigns.